Namaskar, do you know how to use the phrase it's time very correctly or grammatically correctly? This phrase can be used in two ways. First is this phrase it's time plus infinitive. It is time to go. The second use of this phrase is very important. It is it's time plus past clause. So it is time you went home. It is time you washed your clothes. It's time we completed our work. It's time we studied. हालांकि हम इसमें पास्ट फॉर्म यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसका मीनिंग क्या है? प्रेजेंट के लिए और फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए है. सो इट इज यूज्ड in a combination of past clause and in order to refer to present or future reference. It is not it is time we go. या तो आप ऐसे यूज करिए it is time to go. It is time for us to go. ये भी यूज कर सकते हो. लेकिन अगर आता है it is time you go, it is incorrect. The correct is it is time we went. It is time we washed our clothes. It is time we studied. It is time we painted. It is time we completed the work, rather than it is time we complete the work, it is time we wash the clothes, it is time we study. So use correctly. Thank you so much. Follow for more videos.